Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to voice type on MacBook Pro. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, go ahead and click on the Apple logo at the top left corner. Click on System Preferences from the menu and click on Keyboard. Click on the Dictation option from the top of the screen. Turn on Dictation by clicking on this On button and then click on Enable Dictation. Now choose your preferred shortcut key combination and you can now start dictating. Open up any application where you want to type a text. I'm gonna open up Notes. Go ahead and follow through the prompts and open up a note. Place the cursor where you want to dictate text to appear. Press your chosen keyboard shortcut and then start. That is how you can easily enable voice typing on MacBook Pro. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.